How do you know what time it will be in a few hours and a few minutes? For example, if you're looking at a clock that shows 12:45, how do you know what time it will be in 2 hours and 10 minutes? In this lesson, you will learn how to solve elapsed time word problems in 5-minute intervals by using a number line. Let's review. You already know how to solve elapsed time word problems in 1-hour intervals. For example, if you know the end time is 8:30 and something happened 1 hour, 2 hours earlier, you know that it started at 6:30 a.m. And a common mistake when solving elapsed time word problems is trying to simply add the times. For example, if you know something starts at 2:45 and it lasted an hour and 35 minutes, you might want to just try to add them using the standard algorithm. But you get a time, for example 380, that's not an actual time. And so this is not a good strategy for solving elapsed time word problems. So let's imagine this word problem. Tanya went to daycare. The clock said 9:15 a.m. when she arrived. When her mother picked her up, the clock said 2:45 p.m. And now we're wondering, how long was Tanya at daycare? So first, let's underline and label the three parts. She got to daycare at 9:15 a.m. That was the start time. And her mom picked her up at 2:45 p.m. So that was the end time. And so this question is asking us, how long was daycare? How long was she there? What was the change of time? That's what we're going to be figuring out. And so we're going to use our number line strategy. We're going to draw a hash at 9:15, the start time, and we're going to take hour hops to 10:15, 11:15, 12:15, 1:15, and 2:15. We can't take another hour hop to 3:15. That will be past the time that she got picked up. So we're going to take 5 1-hour hops to get to 2:15. Now we're going to start counting in 5 minutes to get from 2:15 to 2:45, the end time. 2:20, 2:25, 2:30, 2:35, 2:40, 2:45. And so we moved all the way from 9:15, the start time, to 2:45, the end time. And now we can total up our hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes. So we know Tanya was at daycare for 5 hours and 30 minutes. So let's look at our problem from the beginning. When we were looking at a clock that showed 12:45 and we were wondering what time it would be in 2 hours and 10 minutes. Let's label the start time, which is 12:45. The end time, what we're wondering what time it'll be at the end. And then 2 hours and 10 minutes is going to be the change of time. And now we can use our number line to solve it. We put 12:45, the start time, on the number line, and we're going to count up 2 hours to 1:45 and then 2:45. That's our 2 hours. And now we're going to count 10 minutes in 5-minute chunks to 2:50 and 2:55. And so now we know our end time. We know that after 2 hours and 10 minutes, it would be 2:55 p.m. In this lesson, you have learned how to solve elapsed time word problems in 5-minute intervals by using a number line.